Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this vanity tray with the candle holders. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I also am going to have a small shopping haul. This next DIY, you're going to want to get yourself some of these gems. This is a 10-inch mirror. This mirror is from Michaels. I also got these gems. These are from Hobby Lobby. These bring 20 and they're $2.99, but I use my coupon. And then your glue gun and your glue sticks.
So first you want to start off by flipping the mirror upside down, and this is so that we can add the little legs, which are these little gems. So you want, with the little gems, we're going to be using our hot glue, and we're going to be gluing it to the rim of the mirror, and we're going to be gluing them very close to each other. And we're going to be doing this throughout the entire mirror. Look how pretty it's already coming out. And this is how it's coming along. Now I went to Home Goods and I had seen that they had the round trays just like this, and square ones also that were expensive in different sizes. Square and the round ones. And look, we were able to just make it right now.
For this next DIY, you're gonna want to get yourself one of these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Also this mirror, this is also from the Dollar Tree. These gems, these are from Hobby Lobby. And I also got these gems, and these are also from Hobby Lobby. And then I have my scissors, my glue stick, and glue gun.
The ribbon, the diamond ribbon, to wrap it around the candle, the top of the candlestick. Be adding glue to the top of the candlestick. And we're going to be putting it on the mirror, which is flipped upside down right now. And we got it from, we eyeball centered it. We centered it with our eyes. After we put it on the candlestick, now we're gonna be gluing the little gems to the corners, the ends of the mirror, and we're gonna be putting them closely together. And don't worry about the dried up glue, the strings of it. It's very easy to peel off when you're done. And you're gonna do this around the entire mirror. And this is almost done, what it looks like.
So I have a small haul from 2 different stores. I'm going to show you what I got. This is first from Ross. Ross is my favorite store. I got these candle holders. They're so pretty. So I got those 2. Then I also got this little egg, and he has the little gold bunny on him, and it also lights up. So I got this little egg with the bunny. Then I got this bunny. And I also got this bunny here with the other little bunny, and this one also lights up. Then I also got these pillows. I'm gonna be changing my living room, the colors for spring, so this is the color I'm gonna be using. And then I got these placemats. So like I said, this is from Ross. And then these curtains. Now the next store is Target. And I was trying to find a prettier blanket at Ross, but they didn't have one, so I went to Target and I got this throw blanket. It'll work with the colors I'm going with. Then I also got these napkins, also from Target. Then I got this candle here, Island Moonlight. It smells really good. I also got this one, Mango Coconut. It smells really good. I usually get all my candles from Target. And then I got this one, Coconut Berry Bliss. So I got those 3. And then I got 2 of these. Blushing Amber, and I really only got it because it was in a pinkish color. So I got 2 of these. Here's the other one. And then I got, these are the last items, and then I got these candle holders in gold. This was all I got. Just gonna be changing the color, so you don't need that much to make things pretty.